Welcome back, future criminologists. In this video, I will be discussing multiple admissibility of evidence. Multiple admissibility, where the evidence is relevant and competent for two or more purposes. Such evidence should be admitted for any or all purposes for which it is offered, provided it satisfies all the requirements of law for its admissibility. Take note that when a material is asked by a party to be admitted as evidence, the party presenting must inform the court of the purpose which the material is intended to serve, and the court then admits the material as evidence. Multiple admissibility may mean either 1. The evidence is admissible for several purposes, or 2. An evidence is not admissible for one purpose but may be admitted for a different purpose if it is satisfy all the requirements of the other purpose. Example of the first concept. Carlos stabbed Robert with a knife. Here, the weapon used, which is the knife, can be admitted in evidence for several purposes, such as the knife may be admitted to prove the accused was armed with a deadly weapon. To prove the weapon is far deadlier than the weapon of the victim. To prove it was the weapon of the accused which caused the wounds and not some other instrument. To corroborate the statement of a witness who claims he saw the accused holding a bladed instrument. Example of the second concept. Alvin, Hector, and Colas killed Edwin. Alvin confessed to the police of the crime committed by them. Here, the extrajudicial confession of one of several accused may not be admitted to prove there was conspiracy among them because it does not comply with the rule of interlocking confessions. Interlocking confessions are confessions made by two or more accused independently of each other and without collusion, which are identical in their essential details. Interlocking confessions are admissible against the other accused. The extrajudicial confession of one of several accused may be admitted to prove the guilt of the confessant. So, yung confession ni Alvin hindi pwedeng gamitin against Hector and Colas, pero pwede siyang gamitin against him. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share and to subscribe.